Welcome to our channel. If you've just purchased a new iPhone, follow these step-by-step instructions to set it up and start using your device. Step 1. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Wait for your iPhone to power on. Step 2. When you see Hello displayed in multiple languages, swipe up from the bottom to begin the setup process. Step 3. Select your preferred language and country or region from the options provided. Step 4. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password. You can also tap Setup without Wi-Fi if needed. Step 5. Follow the prompts to set up Face ID by positioning your face in the frame and moving your head in a circle. Step 6. Create a passcode for your iPhone. This 6-digit code will be used to unlock your device and authorize purchases. Step 7. Choose how to set up your iPhone. Restore from iCloud backup, restore from Mac or PC, transfer from Android, or set up as new iPhones. Step 8. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. If you don't have an Apple ID, tap Create a free Apple ID. Step 9. Review and agree to the terms and conditions by tapping Agree. Step 10. Set up Apple Pay by adding a credit or debit card, or skip this step to set it up later. Step 11. Customize settings like Siri, screen time, and app analytics according to your preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.